In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display social media feeds on WordPress.com. If you're new to WordPress, or perhaps just looking to enhance your website with dynamic content, you've hopped on the right tutorial. Displaying social media feeds on your WordPress site can not only enrich the user experience, but also help keep your audience engaged with fresh, real-time updates from your social media platforms. So let's get started by diving into the steps you need to follow. First up, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website where you manage content, settings, and much more. It's quite easy to find. You can usually access it by appending WP admin to your site's URL. Once you're in the dashboard, locate and click on All Pages. This section lists all your current pages and is where you can manage existing content or add new pages as you want. You'll then have the option to either create a new page or work with an existing one. If you're editing a current page, choose the one you want to integrate your social feed into, or click Add New to create a fresh page altogether. Whether new or existing, you'll have plenty of flexibility for where and how you decide to display your social media feed. Once you're in the page editor, look for the familiar plus icon. It might be on the top left corner or within the editing area itself. Clicking this will open up a menu of block options. WordPress uses a block editor, which makes it pretty straightforward to add all sorts of different content modules to your page. After clicking the plus icon, a search box will appear, and here is where you'll type in the name of the social media platform you want to integrate. It could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other service you use. Now, having entered the platform name, you'll see an option for an embed block. Click on it to select the proper embed type for your chosen social network. Once you've hit this, you'll be prompted to add the specific URL of the feed you want to display. Be sure to copy and paste the link directly from your browser to avoid mistakes. This neat little trick automatically generates a dynamic feed on your page from the chosen platform. The final and very vital step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, which may appear in the upper right corner of the editor. By clicking this, you ensure that all your hard work is stored, and the changes are live for all your site visitors to enjoy. And there you have it, an effortless way to display your social media feeds on WordPress.com. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced your website's interactivity, but also effortlessly bridged your social presence with your online platform. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you all integrate your feeds seamlessly.